So hello everyone, Elon here and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom home screen widgets in iOS 14. So let's get started. First, long press on the screen and then click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then you can select the widget you like and adjust the size. Now you can do the placement of the widget. I've added a stack widget so I can switch between them. If you take a widget and place it above another widget, it will become a stack. There are a few apps that can customize your widgets. I'm using 3 free apps: Widgetsmith, Color Widget and TuneTracks. If you like this video, do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.